Alright, so it's Friday, May 31st, and it is the last day of the online Strike King tournament. So I'm out here, 87-degree water temp and probably 98-degree weather, but see if I can't put something together. I think I need to get 8 inches more than what I have to be in the money. So, I don't know. Actually, no, it's not even 8. I think I need like 16. I need some big fish. But I've been consistent out here. I'm on my local lake, Banana Lake. Been catching 4s and 5s out here. So, hoping I can catch a few 24 inchers. See what happens. So, stay tuned, guys. Alright, so got a little bit of chop on the water. Got no cloud coverage at all. Like I said, the water temp's 89, so I'm gonna go up here and flip some of these shaded areas first. I'll probably pull out towards that island and then pull out over here. See fish jumping already. Some high spots out there, which is full of shell. I don't know, stay tuned. See if I can't put some fish together. See what happens. Alright, so I pretty much pulled off the bank. Come out here and throw a Carolina rig and a jig around on some hard spots and see if I can't get a bite. Might end up having, with this water temp being so high, I might just end up having to drag around. Like that was a bass, most definitely right there that just jumped. So we'll see what happens. Might not be the right color to be throwing. All white, but let's give it a shot real fast. Alright, so I put down the top water, wouldn't get no bites. Then again, I was also throwing white, which may not have been the best color to be throwing on a bright sunny day like this. I picked back up the jig. If I was jig around this shell and see if I can't get a bite. If you guys can see, but maybe I'll zoom and go to a full screen. I'll zoom in. So you can see the bank, and then there's like that point. It says it's 14 feet, it's more like 10 right now. So right now I'm actually casting across this one. That's all shell right here. Shell. Like I said, it's just a matter of figuring out which one of these shell bottoms is gonna have the fish on them, and if I hit it at the right time. That always makes a big difference, especially when you're rotating areas, is just being in that area at the right time. I mean, it's not like we got a clock telling us, oh, it's, 1:15, I gotta make a move. No, you just kind of gotta go either off a year's experience of, maybe you fished that area and you just know around that time that area is really key, or you just wing it. You just go from spot to spot, hoping for the best. Of course, if you have live scope, you could just pull up and scope them, see if there's any fish down there, how they're reacting to your bait at the time. But I don't got a live scope, so I gotta fish around. And with this water being so shallow, I mean, yeah, I could run my boat across it all and scan, but I do that, I'm liable, if there's any schools, I'm liable to break them up, and then what? Oh, there's a bite right there. Just sit there and wait long enough for, yeah, he hit it, but he didn't take it. Something biting it though. Yep, just hit it again. Hopefully it's a big bass. Oh, I had a bite down there, so let's throw it back out there and see. If not, I'll fire that Carolina rig out there. the Carolina rig out there. Get untangled first. Throwing it on an EWG. I think it's a 2/0. Tell you what, there's some big ass gators out here. Every time I come out here, as soon as I get over in this area, a gator just pops up next to me every time. It's like it's letting me know, like, yo, in my house. And these gators ain't small. They're like 8-10 feet long out here. Ain't nothing to play with, that's for sure. It's a big one. I don't know what it is yet. If it's a bass or if it's a it feels like it's a turtle. Nope, it's a bass. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Ah. Should be all right. Ah. Come on now. I know. You ready to go? I know, dude. Chill out. All right. All right, well, we got one in the boat. 18.5 inches. That one came on the Carolina rig. That one, seriously, I never felt no head shake. That one seriously felt like a turtle. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, it really felt like a turtle. 7.6 medium heavy, fast action rod by 13 Fishing. So they might be on that Carolina rig bite again today. That old ball and chain. Throw that jig back out there. There it is. He hit it. Unless he's on there. No, he ain't on there. He hit the crap out of it though. That's the second bite I've gotten on this jig where they've come up and just smacked it, but they just didn't commit to it. All right, let's give him something else to look at. See if he'll. So we'll take the Carolina rig. Ah. I knew there was something down there. A little bitty one. That little thing was down there messing with my jig the whole time. I knew something was down there. Rig this back up. That's another big one. Nope. I mean, it ain't bad. It's definitely not bad. Definitely not bad one. Ain't no 20-incher, but I'll take that one. Hell yeah. Yeah, you felt way bigger, bro. You're gonna get that one in the water. They definitely want speed worm. I meant speed worm, trick worm. They will not touch a jig right now. So like I said, all I'm throwing is a 2/0 EWG hook. Can't even get the dang thing straight. Zoom trick worm, June bug color. Now I done got all out of position again. You gotta figure out where I was at. Looks like I was way down here. See if we can't get some more. Alright, so got a little different camera view. Hopefully I'm not chopping my head off. I'm gonna give y'all a different view of what I'm looking at. Like I said, I'm still firing that Carolina rig around with the Zoom trick worm on there, June bug. Ah, it's a big one. He's swimming right at me too. Well, not super big. Get up in here. Get up in here. That's what I'm talking about. Right, look at that. Look at that. Right in the top. Look at that. Right in the top. Ain't no 20-incher. Let's check it out. No. Ain't no 20-incher, but that was a good fight. Trick worm. Honestly, you couldn't ask for a better hook set. I mean, that hook set was right in the top of its mouth, which is like one of the hardest areas. Let's see if we can get another one or two. So on my Carolina rig too, I'm not using a swivel. It's like this little rubber piece that you put on your line, and it's super tight that it holds your weight up, and you just squeeze it to slide it up and down the line. You can see right there that rubber piece holds my beads and my weight, and it allows you to actually adjust. You can adjust that leader length without cutting, retying, without doing anything. So, and it's clear. I mean, I don't know if that makes a difference. I haven't had a problem with it at all. I've been using this one, I don't know. I know I've caught probably 10, 12 fish using this same one. There's one right there. False alarm, false alarm. Felt like one. Like I said, I'm throwing a 7.6 medium heavy fast action rod, 17 pound test tactical fluorocarbon P-line. Yep, this is a big one. Dude, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. He ain't making no 20 inches neither, but he makes 18 and a half. Alright, we're gonna let this one go. I thought that one was a giant. I really did. Boys, I think we on them today. I think I need one of them hats or shirts that says on them. And then whenever I'm catching them this good, I'll just throw it on. So you guys can just, when you watch my videos, you'll know if I catch them or if I don't catch them. If I'm wearing that on them hat, you know I'm catching them. If I don't have the hat on midway through the video, you know you could just switch videos. Nah, but for real, they're on this trick worm. Oh, there he is. He just hit that thing super hard. Ah. Yep, he was on it. He was on it. He was hitting it. Oh, there it is. A little one. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Here's the question. Do you leave or do you stay? Because all these fish over here have been way smaller than that big one I caught down there. So I don't know. I think after this cast, I'm going to go try another spot. Alright, there was another one. Didn't even feel him. Come on, dude. Why'd you have to go and do that now? Little bitty one. Alright, so this is my last battery. Put you guys back on the chest. Get up in here. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, sir. They still biting. It's taking a little while to find. Nice one. Not 20. Come on now. This one's feisty. Just lay down. Just lay down, son. 18 inches. 18 inches. Hey, go tell your friends to bite, man. Go tell your friends to bite. Come on now. We definitely need his friends to bite. Need his mommy, his daddy. Need all of them to come bite. Let's see if we can get another one before I head out. I was just about to call it quits and say, you know what? I'm done. That one's gonna make me stay another 20 minutes. You know, y'all know how that works. You ain't catch nothing for about 30 minutes. And you're like, yeah, I'm done. Next thing you know, boom, catch one. I mean, that was like 2.5. I mean, not bad. But I mean, if I wouldn't have caught that one, I probably would have been strapping my rods down, getting ready to head on out. But no. He had to go ahead and show himself. So, alright. We can get some of this cloud cover just to stay for a little bit. We'll be alright. It might turn on a little bit. Look at that. I don't know if y'all can see that. Look at the bird. Looks like he has a baby bass. I don't know. Dude, you can't eat that. Like, for real, you cannot. This bird's trying to eat that entire fish. He's got him sideways. That's it. I'm finally headed home, but I just want to say thanks for following along. You know, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Leave me a comment. Yeah, man, and until next time, tight lines.